Hey everyone, need to share a whole folder on Telegram without sending each file separately? You're in luck. Today we'll show you exactly how to do that on your Android devices. Let's dive in. Step 1. Create a folder. Go to My Files app, open internal storage. Tap on three-dot icon on the top right corner. Tap Create Folder. Rename the folder. Then go to DCI app. Tap on Camera. After that, select multiple photos. Press on Copy. Now scroll to find the newly created folder. Press copy here. Now go one step back, long press on the newly created folder, tap on the three-dot icon. Select compress. Rename the folder. You can tap on compress to create a new zip file with the same name. Now scroll down. You'll see a new compressed file created. Step 2. Sending the zip file. Open Telegram, open a chat box. Tap on the pin icon on the messaging bar. Next, tap on File. Select internal storage. Tap on three-line icon on the top left corner. Tap on the device name from the side screen. Scroll down to bottom and select the zip file you have created. Now it will be sent directly to the person. Here's how you can set the folder with multiple items at once instead of sending them one by one. It's simple and convenient.